E-commerce, or other term electronic commerce, is the buying and selling goods and services on the internet, especially the World Wide Web. In practice, this term and newer term e-business are often used interchangeably. Perception about that. It may be hinder the entry of foreign investment into the Philippine internet sector. The Constitution forbids foreign invested companies from owning shares in domestic mass media companies. Hence, the Philippines will be without foreign investment in the newly convergent sector. Unless the ban is lifted, foreign companies will miss out on the market for high-speed internet access that will be made possible.